Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National IT and English National School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Today I will provide you a creative question 1 and 2 from your chapter 5. So let's get started our class. Question 1. You will get this question from your textbook. From chapter 5. Number 1. Konok is a student of class 6. She comes to the class every day in time. One day, as the class started, she took her seat in the front row. After some time, Shahida entered the class and found all the seats on the front row occupied. She kept Konok's bag on the second row bench and asked her to move there. Konok at first got displeased at such type of behavior of Shahida, but sensing unpleasant circumstances, she moved to the second row. The class teacher noticed what had happened and said that each of the students needed to acquire good human qualities side by side with formal learning process. Question number 1. A. What are human behaviors? B. Why do human qualities get developed through playing in groups? Number C. Explain what type of learning has influenced Konok's behavior. D. Evaluate Shahida's behavior in the light of comments made by the class teacher. Number A. What are human behaviors? Answer. The behavior which everyone of us expects from others are human behaviors. Number B. Why do human qualities get developed through playing in groups? B. Answer. Playing in groups helps human qualities to grow more easily because some qualities such as cooperation, righteousness, honesty, decency, sympathy, patience and friendliness are developed through playing in groups. Number C. Explain what type of learning has influenced Konok's behavior. Answer of this question will be good human qualities are seen in Konok's behavior. During the class time, after entering the class, Shahida kept Konok's bag on the second row bench and Konok moved there thinking of others' trouble. Though at first she got displeased, but Konok did not protest it, sensing unpleasant circumstances. From her behavior, it is clear that there are some human qualities such as patience, politeness, modesty, generosity, friendliness in her. Number 4. Evaluate Shahida's behavior in the light of comments made by the class teacher. Answer. After coming late to class, Shahida kept Konok's bag on the second row bench during the class time, which expresses her lower human virtues. But everyone is required to acquire higher human virtues. Everybody should cooperate with each other. Everyone should express politeness and decency side by side with formal learning process. People should sacrifice self-interest for others' benefit, which shows a generous mentality. But Shahida lacks this type of human virtues. For this reason, the teacher said everyone needs to acquire higher human virtues alongside the formal learning process. Now come to the question number 2. You also get this question from your textbook. See the picture below and answer to the questions. Here is a given picture. You have to answer these questions. Okay, these questions based on this picture. Number A. Who shapes human brains? Number B. Explain how one becomes respectful to elders. C. Explain what type of etiquette is reflected from the behavior of the boy in the above picture. Number D. Such behavior of the boy helps create good relationship among all the members of the society. Discuss. Number 1. Who shapes human beings? Answer. Teachers are the ones who shape human minds to be perfect human beings. Number B. Explain how one becomes respectful to elders. Answer. Obeying elders is a means of showing respect to them. We can be respectful to them by saying salam or exchanging well wishes, obeying them, listening to them attentively, and overall by showing respectful to them. Number C. Explain what type of etiquette is reflected from the behavior of the boy in the above picture. Answer. In the picture, it is seen that the boy is helping up blind man to cross the road. He is a virtually handicapped person. Having problem to move is very natural for him because he cannot see. There is quite a number of children in the society who are handicapped in vision, hearing, speaking and intelligence. Cooperating with them at times of need, being sympathetic to them are the marks of higher human virtues. Number D, such behavior of the boy helps create good relationship among all the members of the society. Discuss. Answer, we find around us various persons who are physically impaired, visually impaired, hearing impaired, dumb, having irregular body structures with intelligence much less than normal level, etc. They live with much hardship, but they are not responsible for such states. Everyone wants to live a normal life. We have significant number of responsibilities towards such special needs children too. Our kind and good behavior will inspire them to go forward. We all have our responsibilities toward them so that they are not neglected. They can be among us in the society. Thus, helping each other, cooperation, sympathy and generosity you can make a good relation among all of the society. Student, it is your creative question. If you want, you can make your own answer. Now come to the next point, today's homework. Our today's homework will be creative question A and B of 2. Homework number 10. So student, do your homework at home and submit on next Saturday. Thank you all of you. That's all for today.